We are doing a sound test of the Mi Portable Bluetooth speaker versus the Tronsmart SPLASH 1 Bluetooth speaker in this video now. Hi guys, great day, this is Ryan. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the notification icon so you will be updated every time we upload. And today, we are comparing the sound of this Mi Portable Bluetooth speaker versus this Tronsmart SPLASH 1 Bluetooth speaker. Now, quick disclaimer, the sound that you're about to hear in this video is unfiltered and raw, so you can hear all the noise on the background, but the purpose of this is for us to really hear how these speakers sound. So let's go and do the sound test. So let's start with the Mi Portable Bluetooth speaker right here, and all we gotta do right now is turn this on. Alright, let's wait for it to connect to my device right here. So it did connect. Let's double check that it did, and let's do the sound test.
Oh, I feel it tonight. There's something inside that I can't ignore. Oh, I feel it tonight. That look in your eyes got me begging for more. Oh, I feel it tonight. There's something inside that I can't ignore. Oh, I feel it tonight. That look in your eyes got me begging for more.
Alright, so that's it. That's the Mi Portable Bluetooth speaker. And now, let's try this Tronsmart SPLASH 1 Bluetooth speaker right here. Alright, there you go. Let's see. As you can see right now, it's lighting up right there. Alright. Oh, I think it has connected itself already to our device, and let's do this. Alright, so let's turn this off. Look at that RGB lighting. Attractive, isn't it? Alright. Alright, so which do you think is better sounding? The Mi Portable Bluetooth speaker that we have right here, or the Tronsmart SPLASH one Bluetooth speaker? I would like you to put it in the comment section down below. And by the way, guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button. And we are aiming to have 8,000 subscribers in the channel. This is Rai. See you on the next one. Bye!